Kamusta from Philippines. We are Trisha and Nikhil, an adventurous Indian couple on a mission to explore the world. In the previous video, we toured around Old Manila. So today, we are gonna explore the more modern side of Manila. We'll be going to malls, cruise around the city in the jeepneys, and most importantly, have so much fun. So let's go.
So this is day 2 of getting into jeepneys and it's really fun, and this time it's practically empty. That's much better than yesterday.
And hence we get this seat.
Yes.
We just got down from the jeepney and this area feels a little confusing. It is very different than what we thought, and even on maps we are not able to understand where we are actually at because it's not pointing at the right direction. And now we spoke to one person. We're trying to figure out how to get to the Mall of Asia, the first place that we'll be going to today. So figuring it out right now, just trying to look at other people and see what they are doing in order to replicate that.
Come there.
We talked to a couple of people and we got to know that we got down at the wrong stop. We just have to walk for 10 minutes and then we'll reach the right place. From there we'll get a bus to Mall of Asia. So we are doing that. It's too hot at the other side, but thankfully the walking area, it's still a little windy and nice over here.
It's covered with buildings.
Yeah, so we don't mind walking. It feels nice actually. After walking for around 15 minutes, we did not find a bus and hence we took a jeepney. So yeah, we asked around and they said take a jeepney, just directly take a jeepney and go towards the place, Jeepney I think, and from there, yeah, take a bus. So we'll see. I don't know why we are doing this. It could have been a much better journey to directly go in a grab, but this is just too much fun. It gives us a lot of adventure, the feeling of adventure to do these things, just to take public transport.
Plus walking around and taking such local things, you explore a lot more.
Yeah, you meet a lot of people, so yeah, it's fun.
While we were in the jeepney, we met this guy who's also going to Mall of Asia. He told us that we can go with him so that he can directly help us to find that place, because we were having a tough time how to get there. We had to change a lot of transports to get there. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, that's what happens in a jeepney. You just meet someone, they're like, you come with us. We'll tell you the rest.
This is the second time that's happening, right?
Yeah. Best kind of map system. Guidance.
Yep. So we're going to the Mall of Asia, and it's actually 5th largest mall of the world. So yeah, I guess that's going to be a lot to explore today. We finally made it to the Mall of Asia. It took a lot of time.
It was such a struggle walking all the way. First the walk, then yeah, you saw it all already, but it was so much. And the moment we entered here, thankfully, now we are thankful for this part. The moment we entered over here, it literally started raining. There's thunder and lightning happening right at this moment.
There's a thunderstorm basically, and the second we entered and we were in covered area, it started pouring like anything. So thanks for that.
Yeah. Anyhow, this is the 5th largest mall in the entire world. So I don't know if my legs are ready to walk that much today, to be very honest.
Also, I don't know what happened, but we ended up at 3rd floor directly.
So we are here at the MOA food court. because we are super hungry right now. There is so many things to explore and this mall is so big, obviously. So we are super excited to do that, but we can't do that right now because firstly we have to eat something. We're super hungry. It's almost 4 p.m. I guess, and we just have to have something first. I have my eye on this. I love Vietnamese food. So let's get something to eat first. I got banh mi chicken. I loved banh mi when we were in Vietnam. So it hurts a little to eat this bread because it's so crunchy, but I love it. So nice.
I went with the Mexican option. This is a chicken burrito. And you got 3 sauces over here. I'll try those later, but right now. I love burritos. So we were about to go ice skating, but there's some kind of a competition or some kind of a event happening. People are dressed really nicely and they're doing some really cool moves over there, but we are not allowed to go there. It's sad, but it looks really cool from here.
Shopping yesterday only, but I like so many things over here. Just being here in an H&M spot. Love this color, so cute. While walking in the mall, I just saw many puppies with their owners, pet puppies. I was like, I haven't seen any mall that allows pets till now. It's the first.
There's the actual pets roaming around.
It's so cute.
Transform into a cat. What are you going to transform into?
Yeah.
Hey?
We're stepping into an Ikea for the first time ever and we're just super excited.
I did not expect food as the first thing at the entrance of Ikea.
We love food. We find food everywhere.
Danish blueberries. I guess Danish blueberries and cream puffs.
No. I'm more interested here.
What is the number of our locker? And by the way, the password is
This is our first time in an Ikea. I feel this is so cool. Welcome to my kitchen, by the way.
Yeah, this is your kitchen.
Ignore the price tags. Those are not cute.
It's a brand new kitchen. We haven't unwrapped it.
You want some pasta?
Not made out of paper, please. Hey,
Let's do a laundry.
what's the policy on using washing machines to try it out?
I have to try it. Let's go get our clothes. This is such a fun experience, and this is like, I can't believe it's the first time I'm coming to this place. This place would be so much fun if I would have come here earlier. Like, and also things are so affordable over here, by the way. Another point. And the entire experience is like super fun. We just sat around in all the rooms and played.
Clicked a lot of pictures.
Yeah. It was so much fun.
This is really fun.
It's so festive. Love it.
What are you looking for? Their locker? Where do they store their money? Some valuables.
I like this room too. Would you like a room tour from what? Would you like a room tour from here? I'm hungry.
Trisha, the cafe is on your right. Where were you going?
I wanted those things.
It feels more like an airport than a...
Hello.
What is this?
Meatball.
Swedish meatball. Swedish meatballs?
Let me wonder.
All pieces, 16 and 20.
16 and 20.
What price?
No. Okay.
Fries.
French fries. You want? You want?
Yes.
French fries? French fries. One French fries, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else, ma'am?
No, that is it.
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you. Enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Yeah, 12 piece, 4 piece and fries.
This is our first Ikea meal ever. And I was super impressed with the entire system. It was so cool. And also like this entire place is so well lit. And I just saw the time. It's almost around 7:30 p.m. We do not even know how the time just like passed by. We don't understand it. And inside it, it's like so lively. It almost feels like it's morning and I'm having my breakfast or maybe lunch. I don't know. Anyway, this is the first Ikea meal. I'm super excited to try. I've tried Swedish meatballs before in Indonesia and those were super nice. So let's hope. Wow. This beats that. 100%. Yeah. It's so good. Again, the food is not super fresh, but the entire experience was super fresh. Love it. It's okay. It's fine. Love the meatballs. Nothing beats that. Good French fries. Everything else is okay.
The food was not the best, but the experience was pretty great. After every 2 minutes, I feel like I've forgotten something or I've left something behind. Just because I'm not carrying my bag. I almost never go out without my bag. For the last 4 years, I've been going out with this bag. Even when we were running a business, I always had this bag with me. So not having this bag is every time I feel like am I missing out on like.
Why did you do that? It's cute.
Wow. That's a loud noise it makes.
There you go. Why did I get the sound that my coin came back? Cheers. Yummy.
We have no idea how the time flew by.
We spent the entire day in a mall. That was
Yes.
not our plan.
But it was really fun and too
I
big.
agree. And we didn't even do that much.
We just walked around and we got ice creams. So the bus brought us to this place called Ptex. I have no idea what this place is. They just said that if you want to go, like, we want to go to PGC, and they said if you want to go to PGC, you have to go to Ptex. You have to change it from here. We're like, okay. So this was the reason why everyone was telling us to come to this area, because all the buses go from here to all these places. And since we have to go to BGC, we'll be going to gate 3, second floor. Let's go.
This is interesting.
This is interesting. So this entire Ptex area is like a bus hub. All I had to say was para, and he dropped us.
What did you say?
Para.
Para.
Actually, I was about to say it. The lady next to me said it. I was like, alright, this is just good luck. Just get out.
So we are back at our hotel. We decided to go to BGC earlier to party and see the nightlife over here, but unfortunately for us, it is Monday today and most of the Mondays it's closed, and most of the Saturdays, Sundays it's too crowded, and we did not want to do that. So yeah, these were the days that we had over here. So yeah, maybe we'll go tomorrow morning just to explore not the party area but like just the area in itself, right? So maybe we'll go, maybe not, we're not sure right now. Anyhow, this was our day today. We did so much, we took so many public transports and we had so much fun. So this is the day. We really hope you like it. We'll see you next day.
I guess we disembarked too early.
अच्छी लग रही हूँ मैं. Sorry.
To do
Did I
that,
leave
you'll
something
need to be online.
Do I?